Hey peeps, welcome again. Welcome to another episode. You're sitting down with Mark Plunkett. Coming to you straight out of JVLOGS. I have a nice little vlog ready for you guys. So remember, if you're not subscribed already, people subscribe, like, share, comment. Get ready for it, people. Welcome back. People looks like you're hungry and eat from morning. Come on. Lively upon yourself. Lively. Yeah. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhythm. Alright. Full time no phone stop me, sorry, don't go like me. I eat that now. But yeah, you're welcome again. If you're watching this now, that means you're actually tuning to JVLOGS. Alright, so today is just a nice little vlog that I have, set up for. So I'll be talking about jealousy and some of the things that you need to look out for if you don't think that you're a jealous person. If you are a jealous person, then it is not good, to be jealous. So I'll be going into that and talking about some stuff, and how I feel about that whole subject. So firstly, let me read this. I googled it. Jealousy. Jealousy is an emotion, and the word typically refers to the thoughts and feeling of insecurity, fear, concern, and anxiety over an anticipated loss or status of something of great personal value, particularly in reference to a human connection. Let me read it again. Jealousy is an emotion, and the word typically refers to the thoughts and feelings of insecurity, right? Fear, concern, and anxiety over an anticipated loss or status of something of great value, particularly in reference to human connection. So look on that now, and let me dive into it. Let me dive into it. We don't know people. Don't dive face first. You understand? When you dive in nothing. Face first, you understand? You jump in. Alright, so we're jumping I know. Alright? So I think people get jealous for different reasons and over different things, right? A lot of people get jealous when they say their friends are, take for instance, when the technological age right now, Facebook. A lot of people get jealous over people on Facebook where you see in fancy relationship and people enjoying their life and having fun. I am against that. I don't think you should actually get jealous over somebody in a relationship where you see two light-skinned or two beautiful people together. You're getting jealous and you're saying that, oh, why can't I get a brown girl, or why can't I get a white girl, or a black girl saying that why can't I, or even why can't I get a guy my complexion if you're dark, and handsome and stuff, why you have to get a fat girl or something like that. So getting jealous over people that you see that are happy in relationships, you shouldn't be, because look from it from this point of view, right? You're in a relationship or they're in their relationship. Your relationship is different, right? You go through different processes. They might have, their relationship might be malfunctioning and you don't know that. They're just giving you the pretty side of a relationship. You must keep in mind that every relationship is unique. Seem like how your relationship is rocky, their relationship might be rocky. So on the outside it might seem that everything is good, but on the inside when they dig deeper into their relationship, it's all rocky, but they just put up that face. A lot of people put up this surface that everything is cool, and sometimes it's not. Sometimes people going through difficulties, they're going through different conflict, and all of that in the relationship, and they don't show it. So you should not take it up on yourself to basically get jealous over somebody else's relationship. Just work on yourself, and then you might just find somebody that can actually work with you. Alright, so don't easily get jealous over other people's relationships. So that's one. Secondly, don't get jealous over people and them riches and them wealth. Like, everything happens for a reason. God put you through a phase for a reason, right? you're actually struggling for a reason. It's probably a lesson, right, to help you to be stronger, or it's a lesson that you're learning a lesson because you had money in the first place and you never spend it wisely, right? So you had money and God to say you had money over there, right? And now you don't have any. Why? Because the mishandling, the misuse of that money, right? God will teach you a lesson now, say I beat you and I show you say you should have managed your money better. So now you're at a stage where you're picking up yourself and you're starting over. So not because you see somebody that flash a car, them have a pile of cash and all of that, you're going to get jealous over that and say, oh, them young but them have money and I don't have money and this and that, life is unfair. No, everybody go through things differently, right? That's the way life is. It's a process, everything happens for a reason. So look on it that way. Try to work towards securing some money for yourself or securing a job that you can earn enough money, and not because you get the money means say I go floss and palaver with it and buy a bag of things, right? Get that money, save it, invest the money so your money can actually turn over. You spend your money wisely, it's your money, but my advice is spend it wisely so you can actually have a turnover or have a profit on that, you know? So try that as well. The third thing I want to look at where jealousy is concerned is pretty much you're jealous of other people and the level of education or the background that they have, right? Other people can't go to college or they have a friend that is going to college and they're jealous of the friend, right? They're jealous of the friend because the friend get the opportunity to go to college. But on the flip side, they don't even know what that friend had to go through to actually get into college, how much hard work they had to put in, how much them have to study, how much them have to go to school without lunch money, but they're still there. While them they're on the outside looking, oh, he's going to college or she's going to college, so them hype and go on. No, get rid of that negative mentality where you think it's a bed of roses to the man who is going to college. No, it's not a bed of roses, right? He might be going to college, yes, but what about his tuition fee? You don't know if it's paid. You're not the one paying his tuition fee. You don't know the struggle that person go through. So don't get jealous over somebody because they're in college or they're trying to elevate themselves, right? Don't do that. Same goes to a person that's in the job or at a higher position in the job than you. Don't get jealous of that person. What you should be doing is using that as a motivation. Use that as motivation for you to basically be like them or be in their shoes or higher, reach for higher, right? Not because the person a manager and get a supervisory position, you're going to jealous that person and say, oh, that person not forget it, right? So people, all the people that's watching this right now, listen out for those type of people that are around you, that they mention little things, right? They mention little things that when you hear it, sound, feel good, we call them people like bad mind people. Well, literally, want to see you strive, right? In layman's term. Them no want to see you succeed. Them bad mind you. You don't know how you buy a new car, but them bad mind you, them scratch it up, them running night, them fling things in night, them try to go by you, all manner of evil, and them don't know how you achieve it. Some people work so hard, wash people dirty clothes, clean up, wash people body, all type of things. Just to get ahead in life, just to be better. And a lot of people sit down and think that, oh, well, oh, them reach it, I want to reach it as well, and try to badmine the person and bring down the person. No, so people look out for those things. I don't want to go too far with this, but my advice, don't be jealous of somebody else. If you're feeling insecure, yes, you can express yourself, but don't badmine someone because of your insecurity and because you can achieve what they achieve. You understand? So be confident in yourself. Watch out for the bad mind and the hypocrite and the hateful people, and watch out for them. And just, try to live good. Enjoy life. Try to be positive. Try to make a change. You understand, people? So I hope you like this message. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. The t-shirts are there at teespring.com/JVLOGS with 2S. You can get them there. T-shirt is $25, including shipping and stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Tune in for more. Like, subscribe, and share. JVLOGS! Lord, the phone drop. Alright, later people, I'm out.